So guys, tomorrow I am having my business studies pre-board. I'm literally feeling like crying, but I won't. Don't forget to share some support. You can be the part of the family by subscribing. 10:30 a.m. right now, and I just completed one chapter. And मुझे वो भी नहीं पता कि like I can forget it in future, but I don't want because see, our book is something like this printed out. तो जो इसमें है it's like more. And this is the all thing that I have to prepare for my tomorrow's paper. Because guys, you can understand that if it is written by ourselves, the handwriting is big. But this is all things printed on a paper, so you can understand कि ये कितना ज़्यादा है. And the next problem is the questions are not direct. It's totally indirect. Like an example is given, और हमें identify करना है this, that, and all. The thing is, I have around 10 chapters to complete, and it's not like I didn't study at all last time. मैंने प्री प्रीलिम्स के वक्त थोड़ा पढ़ा था, बट द थिंग इज बिजनेस स्टडीज एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है where all the definitions are like in advanced language. Even if you learn something, you will forget it very easily. See how will I be able to do it, and this video will be a proper vlog because I will be doing this vlog whole day, and tomorrow I will be uploading. Just to provide myself some comfort, I thought to study today on my whiteboard. Sometimes I study near the door by writing it with a chalk, but today I thought to do it with white on a whiteboard with a black marker. It will be better because words मुझे understand अच्छे से होंगे and I can interpret it easily. A few extra days. I know that it's just time passing me by. Fine, can't help but wish I could still be childish. 'Cause now life's got me so stressed. Just wanna play on my DS. No way of knowing what comes next. Just wanna be childish. I'm so scared because इतना सा पढ़ने के लिए मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा है, like this much. I'm really scared. I don't know what I will be doing tomorrow. It's totally scary. So the next chapter which I will be learning right now is this one. It's just 2 pages chapter. ये छोटा chapter है. Other things are like big. So let's do this one. So this is the second study session. It's almost 10:40 now. Let's see. It is the smallest session और मैं ज़्यादा record नहीं कर रही हूँ, not to make it boring. I just hope that I remember everything that I studied today. I just hope so. I have an entire day left. Let's see how it will be going at all. देखते हैं कैसे होता है. I need to take a shower, so let's see how the time is going because it's 11 a.m. right now. तो ये सब कुछ करते वक्त 12 बज जाएंगे and let's see how it goes. Until that, don't forget to comment in the video how it is going. Took this shower so fast today, like मैंने ऐसे ही जल्दी में आ गई. It's like 11:30. I thought मुझे 1 घंटा लगेगा, but I did it too fast because syllabus बाकी है. Now it will be third time I'm sitting. Let's see if I can complete 2 chapters at a time. But I don't think so because now only big chapters are left. So let's do 1 chapter now. It's just my studying session going on. उसके बाद मुझे revise करना है. So it's too much. This is the particular study session I'm doing right now. After that I will make a study video. अभी तो मैं नहीं निकाल रही for this. While I was continuing doing my work, my mom bought this. ये पता नहीं क्या है. I'm just drinking it. It's sweet. I don't know what it is. I'm getting exhausted and I'm really not kidding guys. मेरा सर बहुत ज़्यादा दुख रहा है. Like whole forehead is paining a lot. I don't know. I think it's because of the stress that I'm taking while studying. But seriously, I don't know. I really don't know what will be happening. My God, it's so difficult. It's not going inside my head. Like पता नहीं क्या करूँगी मैं कल. The biggest problem in business studies exam because you tend to forget things really easily.
A few extra days. I know that it's just time passing me by. Fine, can't help but wish I could still be childish. 'Cause now life's got
Okay, here my mom told me to do रंगोली today. आज लक्ष्मी पूजन था तो मैंने सोचा कि रंगोली बना ही लेती हूँ. नेक्स्ट थर्सडे आई विल बी डूइंग इट प्रॉपरली. एज यू नो आई एम नॉट अ गुड आर्टिस्ट. मैं तो बस ऐसे ही बनाती हूँ. इट्स totally a simple one I did for today because I don't have any time. I literally overslept. Oh my god.
I can be selfish, trying to be kinder, always forgetting, needing reminders, but I'll always be there when you need me. 'Cause I know that two things can't be true. 'Cause I get so confident yet.
After which I thought to take a break and have tea. So my mom made me tea and I had few banana chips with it.
As you know, I overslept. I went to sleep at 2:30 और मैं 4 बजे उठ गई. And after that I just started with the work. But मुझे अभी white board की बहुत ज़्यादा आदत हो गई like. So I thought कि divert नहीं करते हैं. Let's just learn from whiteboard for today. देखूंगी कैसे जाता है कल का एग्जाम. पर मुझे लाइक ज़्यादा आदत नहीं लगानी चाहिए because sometimes it can so happen कि white board नहीं होगा and have to learn directly from book. But आज के लिए तो मैं वैसे ही करूँगी. And then my mom gave me tea and I had some banana chips. तो ये करते वक्त like आधा घंटा चला गया and now it's 5 p.m. and now I'm starting again. So अभी learning period अभी तक मेरा खत्म नहीं हुआ. There are few chapters left. I will just go through और फिर बाद में मुझे like revise करना है सब कुछ again. मेरे को like देखना है कि मुझे कुछ याद है या नहीं. So let's see how the things are going up and let's continue. Just thought जो भी करना है अभी ही करते हैं. I didn't want to make a total habit of writing on the whiteboard. While learning I can do it, but before exam मैंने सोचा कि अभी मैं बुक से ही पढ़ती हूँ. It will be easier because अभी मैं whiteboard पे लिखूंगी ना. Then while writing on the paper tomorrow, I will be feeling like uncomfortable क्योंकि मैंने पूरा दिन whiteboard पे लिख के पढ़ा है. So let's write on the book now. Let's have a look at my duster today. Like मैंने इतना लिखा है, so it happened like this now.
It is the longest time lapse, I think so, 35 seconds because I'm trying to learn more things. I'm so exhausted mentally. Literally guys, I'm telling you because it's too much to learn everything in a single day. And 10 chapters to learn in a single day is not an easy task. And the 10 chapters which I thought to learn, I am not able to learn properly. So जो मुझे important लग रहा है like any sub topic, I'm going through those topics because ऐसा होगा कि if I suppose learn everything, I might tend to forget lots of things.
And yeah, I'm stopping this video. It's almost 6 p.m. और मैंने सोचा कि अभी तो बस पढ़ना ही है. So I will not write. I will just revise again and again. Still more things are left to learn. ऐसा नहीं कि सब कुछ हो गया है. I will see how it goes. I thought to upload this video today only. सपोज अगर कर लाइक मेरा पेपर अच्छे से नहीं गया इवन आफ्टर डूइंग ऑल दिस स्टफ आई विल बी सो सैड. तो मुझे एडिटिंग करने का भी बिल्कुल मन नहीं करेगा. सो आई एम अपलोडिंग इट टुडे and in the next video I will tell you how was my paper. The next paper I have is cooperation which is an optional subject I took for my 12th standard. तो उसके लिए मुझे 2 दिन मिल रहे हैं पढ़ने के लिए so I can do it easily. Until that, bye and take care and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this family so that you can be the part of the family. और comment करना भी मत भूलना so that I can see how you like the video or any suggestion if you have you can comment down. Bye. Lots of love.